Learn the use of Idupu. Idupu means to pierce as a verb in sentences. We are going to use this verb Idupu to make sentences. Igbo, English. The first sentence is Ego chọrọ idupu ntị ya. Ego chọrọ idupu ntị ya, meaning Ego wants to pierce her ear. Ego wants to pierce her ear. Ọ chọrọ idupu ya ugbu a. Ọ chọrọ idupu ya ugbu a, meaning she wants to pierce it now. She wants to pierce it now. Ego, ị chọrọ idupu ntị gị? Ego, ị chọrọ idupu ntị gị? Meaning, Ego, do you want to pierce your ear? Ego, do you want to pierce your ear? This one is a question. You can see question mark or question sign. Akara ajụjụ. Achọrọ m idupu ya. Achọrọ m idupu ya. Or achọrọ m idupu ya, meaning yes, I want to pierce it. Yes, I want to pierce it. You can see that we use the same color marker to identify same words. Like here, I means in Igbo. It means yeah. A means yes. And others. We use the same color marker to identify them for easy understanding. We also identify our verb by underlining them both in Igbo and in English. Follow us for more. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.